video, guys. We're gonna be installing these new LED lights in the new daily. If you guys haven't seen, as you guys can see, the yellow. There's the fog light. I gotta get a new fog light housing too. So whenever I get the fog light LEDs, I'll do the new housing. Because as you can see, that one's broken. It's supposed to look like this. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of those. Hopefully this new LED matches this LED strip that's right here. Should be a pretty simple install. So let's get right to it. So here are the lights, guys. We're gonna go ahead and unplug it from the back. So that's gonna be your low beam, and that one's gonna be your high beam. That side seems like it's gonna be a little bit harder just because it looks tighter, but we'll see. So guys, there it is. The fan's working. All you had to do is twist it off and twist it back in. So that's easy. We're just gonna repeat the process in reverse. There we go. See how that easy that was? Here's the old one. We like to keep these just in case. Okay, let's do this side. Boom. Then you just gotta push in this little clip in here and then pull this one out. Obviously I can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna pause it real quick. And there it goes, just it's off already. And then we're gonna get the new one and do the same thing, just pop it in and then twist it back in. And there we have it, guys. The LEDs are in. That was easy. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do the fog lights because now they're not matching. Now they look funny. But yeah, guys, I'll give you guys a little show brightness at night. This is during the day. Obviously, you can't really tell much. You can tell by the color though. It used to be yellow. Now it's like clear white. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we do it at night. Alright guys, so this is the nighttime test. I have the lights turned off right now just so you guys can see the difference between night and the LEDs during the night. As you can tell, they're pretty bright. This is with my tint. Like I said, guys, this is 5% tint. So let's roll the window down and see what it looks like without. So that's just with the LED strips. This is with the light on. See how much brighter it is? It's like night and day. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the outside as well.